I have never seen such a pleasant fishing life. Gorilla rowing a simple boat. Go fishing in the rice fields. Not only is the scenery beautiful here, and at a glance, there are fish. In order to increase the efficiency of serving fish, Gorilla has prepared a total of 4 fishing rods, and the fishing rod hasn't been thrown away yet. One of the fishing rods is dragged. Gorilla quickly picked up the fishing rod and glanced at it. Soon dragged a fish out of the water. He was lifted onto the boat while still struggling. This is a scaly fish, visually about to tails. Although not big, but mosquitoes are meat no matter how small they are. Gorilla didn't dislike it either. He went right into the net pocket. He was about to put the bait on the hook. The other fishing rod moved again. Gorilla's hands and feet are numb. Picking up a fishing rod is a jerk. Soon the fish were dragged back. This fish seems to be bigger. Looks like a carp and looks like a grass carp. I don't know what breed it is. But Gorilla doesn't care. As long as it's fish. I have to say that the resources here are really good. You'll see another fish bite in less than 2 minutes. Although these baits do not exceed a caddy. But there is such a fishing efficiency. It was a blast. It was harvested in less than half an hour, and there is a small half net bucket. Do you like this kind of fisherman life?